This is an instruction on how to install the steering gear rack on a late model Snapper rear engine riding mower, as well as Craftsman, Husqvarna, and others, now that Briggs and Stratton bought them. The different model numbers, but basically the same. These things only last about 3 years. And the reason would be is you can see how these gears are worn on the old one. Starts getting hard to steer, you can see, versus the new rack or so forth. They're like $30, $40, $50. The new one looks like it's a little more sturdy. Might hold up a little better, but no comparison to the older steering racks of older mowers. 3 times the size of that or better. They're just way too thin. Kind of hard to get at. Really tough. They're up and underneath. You have to take these bolts off right here. Actually, the 6 of them to lift that whole steering column out. And this is the top of the snapper. Holds the gear in. And the only way you're going to be able to get into it from underneath, you need a socket to loosen it, but it's down and inside. If you don't have a 13 millimeter offset wrench, I don't know how you're going to get it. You might get it with a maybe a needle nose vice grip, but it's really going to be tough. So before you even attempt this, somehow either take one of your 13 millimeter open ends. You can't get into it with a box wrench and bend it that you can get in there to hold it. I'll record a little bit later on.